Panipat, you have must came across this name as it finds an important place in our history, which is famous for the 3 wars of Panipat. India is a vast country with many states, having many such cities that finds an important role in our history. So hello everyone, my name is Satyansh Prakash. I study at Roshni Public School and Academy, a wonderful place to learn, and today my topic is important cities of India. Delhi is one of the important cities of India, so today we are going to talk about Delhi. What is New Delhi? New Delhi is the capital of India. National Capital Territory or NCT lies on the western bank of river Yamuna, shares borders with the neighboring states such as Haryana and UP or Uttar Pradesh. Now let's talk about the regions of Delhi. The regions of Delhi. The ancient city of Delhi is referred to as Old Delhi. Newly developed areas toward the south are New Delhi, and many more towns spread across Delhi makes NCR. Now what is NCR? NCR is also known as the National Capital Region. It includes Old Delhi and New Delhi both, and a few towns spread over Rajasthan, Haryana and UP such as Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Sonipat, Gurugram, Gurgaon, Meerut and Sonipat, etc. Prominent cities of NCR I have told you. Now let's revise them. Delhi, Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Gurugram, Noida and Meerut and Sonipat. People and government of Delhi. Delhi is a truly metropolitan city. It has all central government offices. The president, the prime minister also reside here. Important ministers also reside here, and government officials are also residing in New Delhi. People and government. The President of India lives in a Rashtrapati Bhavan, Legislative Assembly and a Chief Minister in Delhi, ambassadors and high commissioners of various countries like Turkey, Russia, America, Canada, Mexico, Guatemala, etc. Now let's talk about the climate. Yay! The climate of Delhi experiences extreme climatic conditions. Summers are very hot. Summer stretch to April to October. During the peak of summers, hot winds or blow and dust storms also occur. Monsoons are moderate and winters are very cold. Industries in Delhi. Big commercial center. Information technology, banking, manufacture, leather processing and pharmaceuticals in Delhi. Now let's talk about the tourist attractions. If you are a tourist and heading to Delhi, these are very good for you to see. India Gate. India Gate is a stone memorial that was built in the memory of soldiers who lost their lives in World War I against Britain. Now let's talk about Rajpath. Rajpath. The Republic Day Parade is held in Rajpath. Rashtrapati Bhavan, official residence of President in India, situated on Regina Hill. Red Fort. Red Fort is also a stone building that is in Hindi known as Lal Killa, and it was built by Mughal Badshah Shah Jahan. Now Rajghat. Let's talk about Rajghat. Rajghat is a memorial dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi. Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid is the largest mosque in India. Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar was constructed by Qutbuddin Aibak, and it is the world's highest big brick minaret. Here you can see a map of India. This is the Lut ISKCON temple. This is the map of India that has many tourist attractions. Here you can see a pin or thumb pin in New Delhi. The ISKCON temple or Lotus temple. Thank you everyone. Bye. Meet you in the next topic.